sound decibels. Again. Right at 91. One more. One more. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna straight pipe it and put 6-inch tips on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee SRT. You can see those beautiful Borla ProXSs installed. It was a tight fit, but they got them done. Offset centers, as you guys can see. Part numbers is right there. There'll be a link in the description and on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Then the resonators are still deleted in the back. We didn't touch those yet. And then it's still got the factory tips out the back. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And there's the 2-piece of pipe that we cut off right there. It's 2017 Jeep SRT Beast. We did a little bit something different on it. Really nice, beautiful vehicle. As you guys can see, still got the factories there, converters. Then we did a mid-delete, added a 3-inch X-pipe in and out. Then continued his 3-inch pipe out the back. And then we deleted the rears there and there and put massive 6-inch tips to complete the look. I think looks like a freaking beast, guys. Look at that thing. Wow. And that's the factory openings, guys. So they do fit 6-inch tips, just in case you guys didn't know. And why we went with the long, big tips, it deepens the sound with the straight pipes. Just gives it a really distinctive sound. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And here's the mid that was on it right there without an X pipe. And there's the rears that were on it with the tips. We took all that off and just cleaned it up for them. Took some weight off, make it sound good too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Jeep SRT 8 with Borla ProXSs. See the difference? Right away. So that's idle. Idle is about right at 69. Give it gas. So when you get on it, it opens up, you know? Perfect? All right, that's what we like to hear. Again? You didn't want it crazy loud, you want a clean, deep tone. That shows that it's an SRT8, but without all the drone and crazy loudness. Yeah. Here's sound decibels, go ahead. Again. Jared. Go ahead again. Too quiet? It was straight pipe before. He's like, it's too quiet. That's what you want to hear. Perfect. Go ahead and back it out. You guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our beautiful shop. Right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. I'm gonna get a drive-off video for you and put you on Instagram, okay? So give me a couple minutes. I like it. It's perfect. Borla ProXS. If you don't want it crazy loud, that's what you go with resonator delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, that sounds so good. Look at that. They look so good on that car. I like it. Go big or go home. it on the inside. Jeep SRT 8 with Borla ProXS mids, rear delete stock tips. Perfect. Enjoy, guys. I love it. That's a perfect commuter style. Not crazy loud, not crazy quiet. Just perfect for that car. Straight pipe with an X pipe and 6-inch massive tips to complete the beautiful look of this car. They're just beautiful cars. Very quick too. They need exhaust to sound good. Enjoy, guys. We got a full house today. I love it.